Hello friends, we welcome you again with another new video. Today let us introduce you to our new product. If you will see here, it's showing the vacuum cleaner, a bagless design which has 1.5 liter dust container. You can use this brush on the hard floor as well as on carpets. If you will see here, this comes with the accessories. This is the Crevice tool, dust brush, dust container, plus here is the tube and the stainless steel rod. This goes up to 1200 watts. What we call it as a whole house cleaner. So let's do the unboxing and see what's inside. Here, if you will see, it is seal packed and we cut the seal. Come here. With the tube, handle to hold the vacuum cleaner, stainless steel rod, for the hard floor and carpet. Look at there, if you will press this side, this will comes up. If you will see here, you see this can be used on the hard floor. Go down, you can use it as a carpet cleaner. Comes with the tools. This is two kind of, the brush one and the hard one. If you'll see here, this is the way to change both the designs, 2-in-1. And as usual, it comes with the user manual and our guarantee card. And let me tell you the wire. It comes with the 5-meter long wire. Let me ask the next time the designer to mention properly here. Here the rod, which you can make it long, as long as you need, depend on your height. First we are going to fix this one here. Okay, it is fixed. If you will see this one, the bagless container, the dust container. This goes here. Now let us see the power. How good is the suction power? You will see here. Okay. Now if you will see here, this also has some particles. Let's see. This is the thermocool. The suction power is good. If you see here, now let's get the paper, which is little heavy. Let's see if this can go off. Suction power is good. It has sucked off everything. Here, if suppose something is in the corner under the table, it goes well. Let's see this one. dust particles, it has already been sucked inside. Nice. Come here, have a look. The dust. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Now let's see how to empty the container. Okay. Now let's see, Here you just turn it around and here it is. Look at the dust. Now it's been fixed again. Let's see again if you want. See here. Again. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. And here, if you want, you can just press one button and the wire will be go inside this way. Thank you so much.